everything I saw. It's slowing down time, changing all the laws. Try to catch it with my hands so that I can take it home. Hoping I can keep it when I'm dead.
Hey everybody, we are going to be doing some off-roading over at Rocks and Valleys today. Got the TJ out, first week of February. Should be quite a bit of snow. Should be a great time.
Awesome, we're not the only ones here.
Rocks and Valleys is an off-road park located on Mansiding Road in Harrison, Michigan. It offers over 200 acres of trail riding from mild to extreme. All trails are marked green, blue, or black. The green trails can be run by any stock four-wheel drive. The blue trails are for modified vehicles such as having a lift or larger off-road tires. The black trails, lockers are required. Of course, it never hurts to have a winch and to follow the golden rule to never Jeep alone. Pricing for Rocks and Valleys is $25 per vehicle, $5 per passenger. An annual pass will cost $175, and they do offer rustic camping at $15 a night. As the day progressed, the light snow gave way to a blizzard. Even with lockers and limited slip differentials, we were finding out very quickly our rigs were no match for Mother Nature. Let's just say we got a lot of use out of our winches this trip.
Was awesome. The TJ did great. Lots of snow there, and actually we're driving home in a blizzard right now. I guess that's what you can expect when you live in Michigan. But overall, we had a great day. The Jeep did great. Corey's team did great, and we can't wait to go back. Defroster and the windshield wipers, just the whole deal. They suck. They're horrible. It's whiteout conditions right now, driving home from rocks and valleys, and I can't see more than 20, 30 feet in front of me.
After almost 4 hours of white-knuckle driving with limited visibility, we finally arrived home safely. We had tackled one of Michigan's premier off-road parks in some of the worst weather imaginable, only in a Jeep. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest adventures.